In this video, we will help you to survive Corona as a student. Here are the 5 best tips in order to socialize with your fellow classmates during the Corona crisis. Number 5. Stay active on the university's social media channels. By creating a WhatsApp group with your class and by following AMSIB on Instagram and Facebook, you can stay up to date with the latest news. Staying connected can help students to not feel lonely or lost. Number 4. Do homework together online. Besides all the scheduled lessons, you can hold your own Zoom meetings. You can do homework together and chat when you have a break from studying. It's a nice way to meet your classmates and make friends besides your regular schedule while being productive. Number 3. Participate in a game night or watch Netflix together. Best possible way to spend your quarantine is by playing games. Even the World Health Organization said that video games are a great way to use your time. Definitely try Among Us with your classmates. You can also watch Netflix together, for example after a game of Among Us. The new feature of Netflix Party makes it possible to watch the same series or film together remotely. Number 2. Have a drink together or have a dinner together virtually. During these times, it's normal to feel a bit lonely at times. It's harder to make new connections and meet with existing friends. Have a drink with your mates over a video call, or even have a dinner with them, just catch up with them. Lastly, participate in a pub quiz. Competition and drinking can not get any better. Get a group of mates or your new class or whoever you want and play games and drink together. This leads me to my next point. All these tips can all be done if you join ACE Society. It's a student-run organization that hosts numerous events and weekly activities as a group, including pub quizzes. It's only €10 for the whole year, and you'll spend that on a couple of pints anyway. You'll get that money back after the first outing with ACE. We hope you enjoyed our top 5. Please let us know your number 1 tip surviving Corona as a student.